Today we're showing you a 2015 Case IH 100C tractor, the FARMALL 100C. Tractor has just over 900 hours on it. It is equipped with quite a few options on it, which we're going to show you. Has the L630 quick attach front loader. Tractor has, again, just over 900 hours, has 99 horsepower. It's very clean, very nice tractor. Does have the global hookup for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Paint's nice on the tractor. Does have the Galaxy radial tires all the way around it. Rear fender extensions, which really help in containing the mud. It's got 2 sets of rear wheel weights. Front and rear wiper on the cab. Dual rear hydraulics. 540 N1000 PTO. Telescopic arms. Stabilizer bars. It does have the buttons on both rear fenders for your 3-point and your PTO. Tractor also is built in Italy. Most of these tractors were built in Turkey. This tractor, again, is built in Italy. So this is considered the better version of these tractors. Also has the Deluxe cab with the visibility roof there in the front part of the cab. Has the air ride seat that swivels left and right. Has the tilt steering wheel and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Buddy seat right here to the side. Tractor also has the 24-speed transmission, which is kind of hard to find in these 100Cs. It's got the 3 ranges down below here, 4 synchronized gears up top. And then you've got another little splitter here, a little power high-low that you can shift in each gear without clutching. It's a really nice feature if you're baling or any type of application like that. 3-point controller, also the Deluxe controller. Has the levers here for your hydraulic PTO engagement, 4-wheel drive and differential lock switches. On the post there you've got your climate controls, wiper and light switches, radio all the way to the top. And as you can see, the interior of this tractor is just as clean as the exterior. It's a very nice tractor. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us 330-359-5405 or visit us on our website at masttractor.com.